I'm gonna be making a steak today with Jessica Alba. So this is the steak I'm gonna be using today. This is Australian Wagyu New York strip, thanks to my buddy Eric. This is his restaurant. So the cool part about this True Cook's backpack right here is it's insulated, as you can see. Pretty dope. Look at that, steak.
Nice, snack. I want to put your salt on it. Yeah, literally I just want to like,
Are you on a stool right now?
No, I'm actually this tall.
We found her a stool. This is how she does the cooking videos.
So when I film, I need a stool because like most of the countertops that I work with is way taller than me. Like this reach, I cannot cut like this. So I'll be like on a little stool.
Yeah.
So it'll look normal. Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging. Yeah. So all right, guys, we're here. What's with my hair right now? We're here at the Headley and Bennett, and I'm with Tway. If y'all don't know Tway, she's a badass cook.
My potatoes!
I have to restart my potatoes. Oh.
Thank you.
And you can check out her Instagram down below somewhere. We're gonna make egg coffee right now. Right?
Make
What's it called?
Egg coffee, Vietnamese egg coffee.
It's called what? Cafe Trung? Cafe Trung?
Cafe Trung.
Cafe Trung?
Trung.
Jung. Cafe Jung. Okay.
And then we're gonna make balalo. Can you say that?
Balalo.
Ba.
Ba.
La.
La.
Lo.
Lo. Bal. La. Lo.
Yeah, close.
Balalo. Oh.
I think this works.
Okay, so now she's on a sandbag.
Yeah.
So this is what Tway just made us. Cafe Chung.
Wow, good job.
Can I try it first?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. It's so fucking good.
Yes.
So good.
Nice, creamy, and sweet.
If you want to see the full recipe on this, you got to head over to her page. Link down below. What's this?
It's a bento box.
It's me as food.
It's Jessica Will as food.
Hey guys, so this is my friend Jessica. Came to California. We're here at the Headley Bennett right now, and she brought snacks, it looks like.
No, that's Justin.
Oh, Justin brought snacks.
Justin
Oh, this is Justin too, by the way. Hi! I don't know what that is. So Tway just made these, they're called lalo. Basically, it's called a batal leaf, stuffed with the meat. You guys just go to her page to see the full recipe, but these really remind me of what my grandma used to make me, called dolmas. Very similar. Okay, so right here I've got these corn churros. These are just going in. So currently I'm using this weird setup to submerge them, but it's working.
Now I can say it's my second time making churros.
We're here with Ellen. This is her home. This is her factory.
And proudly my second time making churros now.
Yeah, second time ever.
So good.
All right, and this is Melissa right here. She works at TikTok.
Hi, I do.
She's my TikTok manager or whatever you call it. I don't know
Yes.
what you call it. She came over and she's gonna try this. So we're gonna have her try a little churro.
A mukbang moment.
Yeah.
Holy.
Good?
So good. Thank you.
What is this?
What's happening?
What's going on?
We're not filming
How
yet.
many
ladies does it take to make a cheese board?
This is old style cheddar.
Yeah.
That's called the Holy Cow. Bougie Blue.
Today we're making a cheese board with my friend Matt.
With me, Matt.
I don't really taste it, honestly.
No? Tastes
You
it
want
right.
more? That's because it's in your blood. That's why. I would do more than that, honestly. Okay, so Jessica has all these cute little cutters here for her bentos.
I brought some because Matt was supposed to make a bento with me.
Just like that.
Nipples.
There you have it, everyone.